Greetings from Oracle Candles. We're at the soft girl era. It is a social media and cultural movement, particularly popular among young women, that emphasizes prioritizing self-care, slow living, and embracing feminine energy over traditional girl boss or career-driven aspirations. It's characterized by a focus on leisure, beauty rituals, and a rejection of the hustle mentality. Here's a more detailed breakdown according to Google. The key aspects of the soft girl era are rejection of girl boss culture. The soft girl era is a reaction against the girl boss mentality that encourages relentless ambition and striving for career success. Slow living and self-care. Soft girls prioritize self-care routines, mindful practices, and a slower pace of life, often incorporating activities like taking baths, making smoothies, or spending time in nature. Embracing femininity. The movement celebrates overt femininity through aesthetics like pastel colors, frills, bows, and Y2K-inspired fashion. Reclaiming leisure. Soft girls are intentionally creating space for leisure and relaxation, rejecting the pressure to constantly be productive or hustle. Boundary setting. A key part of the soft girl era is setting boundaries and prioritizing one's well-being over external expectations. Connection to feminine energy. The movement emphasizes being in tune with one's emotions, moods, and menstrual cycle. Aesthetic component. The soft girl era aesthetic is visually defined by pastels, frills, bows, Y2K, anime, K-pop, and 90s inspired clothing, often with cute and nostalgic prints. Potential criticisms. Some argue that the soft girl era can be seen as a regression into traditional gender roles, potentially undermining women's progress in the workplace. In essence, the soft girl era is a movement that encourages women to prioritize their well-being, embrace their femininity, and find joy in the simple pleasures of life, while rejecting the relentless pursuit of career success and the hustle culture that often accompanies it. So here I am, putting some flowers down as a filler for this beautiful plant that is the main attraction. Now, this plant is a tulip, and these flowers are a flower garden mix from Dollar Tree. And I'm so happy to put these seeds down today as a filler on the sides of this beautiful container. A lot of times people buy their plants, and I like to start my plants from seed and watch them grow. So this is a simple process, and it's so rewarding to watch them grow from seed. So I'm filling up the entire sides of this container with these beautiful flower mix seeds. And I can't wait to see the results. These seeds are for $1 at Dollar Tree. And what I like about Dollar Tree is that all their seeds are non-GMO. So if you're looking for organic seeds, yes, the place to go is Dollar Tree. Look at that. I filled up the sides, and now I'm going to cover it. It's really that simple as putting some seeds down and covering them with some soil. And in about 3 weeks' time, you will have a beautiful harvest. So the theme for my garden this year is everything is in bloom. And that means that everything must be in full bloom for the summer. I have an area in which I've dedicated to flowers. And this is that area. I'm covering my seeds now. And voila, in about 3 weeks' time, this project for this container will be complete. Thanks for watching.